Hi guys, we're back with a brand new video, and for today's video, we'll talk about networks. Mobile data traffic is growing exponentially, doubling every year. And now, with the cloud, we're connecting the physical world and the internet. Using microsensors and the network, we're making everyday objects intelligent. Welcome to the internet of everything. Network supports the way we learn. Texting, social medias, collaboration tools, blogs, wikis, and podcasting peer-to-peer. So, in texting enables instant real-time communication between two or more people. Social media consists of interactive websites where people can and communities create and share user-generated content with friends, families, peers, and the world. Collaboration tools. Without the constraints of location or time zone, collaboration tools allows individuals to communicate with each other, often across real-time interactive video. The broadcast distribution of data network means the people in remote locations can contribute on the equal basis with people in the heart of large population centers. Wikis. Wikis are web pages that groups of people can edit and view together. Whereas a blog is more of an individual personal journal, a wiki is a group creation. As such, it may be subjected to more extensive review and editing. Podcasting. Podcasting allows people to deliver their audio recordings to wide audience. The audio file is placed on a website, blogs, or wiki, where others can download it and play the recording on their computer, laptops, and other mobile devices. Peer-to-peer. So file sharing allows people to share files with each other without having to store and download them from a central server. Network supports the way we work. Networks networks of many sizes. Networks can be small home networks, small office or home office networks, medium to large networks, and worldwide network. Client and servers. Servers are computers with software that enable them to provide information like email or web pages to other and devices on the network, while clients are computers with software installed that enables them to request and display the information obtained from the server. An example of client is software is a web browser like Chrome or Firefox. Peer-to-peer. Client and server software usually runs on separate computers, but it's also possible for one computer to carry out both roles at the same time. Three categories of network components. Devices or media are the physical elements or hardware of the network. Services include many of the common network application people use every day, like email, hosting services, and web hosting services. And devices, either the source of destination of a message transmitted over the network. For example, is computer, laptop, printer, phone, or wireless tablet. Intermediary network devices. It connects the individual end devices to the network and can connect multiple individual networks to form an internetwork. These intermediary devices provide connectivity and ensures the data flows across the network. It regenerates and retransmit data signals, maintain info about what pathways exist through the networks and internetworks, notify and other devices of errors and communication failure, direct data along alternate pathways when there is a link failure, classify and direct message according to priorities, permit or denies the flow of data based on security settings. For example, is wireless router, LAN switch, and router. The network media. Modern networks primarily uses three types of media of interconnected devices and to provide the pathway over which data can be transmitted. For example, is metallic wires within cables. It is data that is encoded into electrical impulses, glass or plastic fibers. Data is encoded as pulse or light. Wireless transmission, where data is encoded using wavelength from the electromagnetic spectrum. Network representation. Network interface card. It provides the physical connection to the network at the PC or other end devices. The media that are connecting the PC to the networking device plug directly into the NIC. The physical port. A connector or outlet on a networking device where the media is connected to an end devices or another networking device. Interface. Specialized port on a networking device that connect to individual networks. Because routers are used to interconnect networks, the ports on a router are referred as network interfaces. Types of network. Local area network or the LAN. It's a network infrastructure that provides access to user and end devices in a small geographical area, which is typically an enterprise, home or small businesses, network owned and managed by an individual or IT department. The wide area network is a network infrastructure that provides access to other networks over a wide geographical area, which is typically owned by a, owned and managed by a telecommunication service provider. Metropolitan area network. A network infrastructure that spans a physical area larger than a LAN, but smaller than a WAN. A metropolitan area network are typically operated by a single entity, such as a large organization. Wireless LAN. Similar to LAN but wirelessly interconnects users and endpoints in a small geographical area. Storage area network is a network infrastructure designed to support file servers and provide data storage, retrieval, and replication. Internet. An internet is a worldwide collection of an interconnected network. Intranet and extranet. Intranet is a term often used to refer a private connection of LANs and WANs that belongs to an organization and is designed to be accessible only by the organization member, employees, or other with authorizations. An organization may use an extranet to provide secure and safe access to individuals who work with a different organization but require access to the organization's data. A company extranet is an outside suppliers and contractors. Home and small office internet connection. Cable. Typically offered by a cable television service provider. The internet data signal is carried on the same cable that delivers cable television (DSL). Digital subscriber lines provides a high bandwidth, always-on connection to the internet. Cellular. Cellular internet access uses a cell phone network to connect. Wherever you can get a cellular signal, you can get cellular internet access. Satellites. The availability of satellite internet access is a real benefit in those areas that would otherwise have no internet connectivity at all. Dial-up telephone, an inexpensive option that uses any phone line and a modern. The low bandwidth provided by a dial-up modern connection is usually not sufficient for large data transfer although it's used for mobile access while traveling. Business internet connection, dedicated lease line, Ethernet, DSL, satellites. So the converging network. Convergence, process of converging are quite unrelated to become more closely integrated and even unified as they develop and advance. Digital convergence is when you have the same multimedia content available to view on different types of devices. Media convergence is the joining together of different mass communication formats in the internet. And that's all for today. Thank you.